Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, and when you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue, tap on Allow, and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!